Artwork fly. To make 100 subscriber bronze plaque, you're going to need 2 shoebox covers, a scissors, stick glue, hot glue gun, and a paper tape. I was going to use that, but I changed my mind. I didn't end up using it. You're also going to need a styrofoam sheet, print out of the play button, the writing on the plaque, and the letter. Also going to need black cartridge paper. The first thing you're going to do, you're going to fit the styrofoam sheet inside of the shoebox cover. If your shoebox cover is brand new and not torn up like mine, you can totally skip this step. I am going to use the paper tape to hold the shape of the shoebox. The idea to do this came to me at about 3 in the morning, so I just got up and did it. I had at least 96 subscribers at the time. I usually sleep in the day and work at nights because of my kids, so it wasn't a problem for me to get up at 3 to do anything at all. Then I'm going to do the same thing for the cover. This video is long overdue, but I did not get the time to edit these videos. I still have a lot more videos piling up and I just cannot get the time to edit. But I just want to say thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Keep on watching. The videos will come soon, I promise you. So I'm just putting the tape at the sides and also inside to keep the shape of the box cover. The black cartridge paper will be used to wrap the styrofoam sheet. I got the styrofoam sheet from a recycled box that had trophies in it. Trophies were for the graduating class of 2020. So when graduation ended, all the materials was inside the visual arts classroom, and then I just recycled what need to be recycled and kept the styrofoam sheet. For persons who do not know, some artists are collectors of many things just in case they want to use it for a project or an artwork. So I'm going to cut off the excess and leave just enough to fold inwards. I'm making some cuts at the top and bottom so that the paper can fold neatly. So it should look something like this so that it can fold like this. Then I use the paper tape to hold the flap down. So this is how it looks with the tape on it. Just going to glue that part down. I use hot glue, but I would recommend that you use pre-adhesive or strong stick glue. I made a play button from scratch using Microsoft Words. What I did was to Google bronze sheet in images, then I selected the best one, copied and pasted in Microsoft Word. Then I selected framing, then bevel, then I went into shapes, selected triangle and change the color, and that's it. And I printed two sizes. I did not measure anything and I did not want to measure anything, so I printed two sizes. The second one did not go to waste. This is what I did. I got the letter from the internet, and for the writing on the plaque, all I did was to watch a YouTube video, 100 subscriber unboxing video, and listen to what it says. The paper with the writing should have been darker, but that is the best my printer could do. It's the same day but in the afternoon. This is because I went to my bed 4 in the morning, so it felt different. Alright guys, so it's the next day. What I did was to get an old cartridge paper and stuff it inside the box here. So you have like a little flap here to hide this section, to hide up here. Stuff it down in there like that. Then I'm going to use some black tape or electrical tape. So I'm putting it at the sides to hold it in the box. So once I put the tape here, I'm going to put it all around. And it's going to do the same thing for the other box. Okay, so I use the tape around it. So I have my shoebox here, the cartridge paper, and I just crease and stuff and crease. Seriously? So I'm going to get rid of some of this tape. So I probably should have used black in the first place here. Or just cover it up. So I painted the cover using Mod Podge and black acrylic paint to keep that shiny look. Then I put it in the sun to dry. This is how I did it. If you want to mix the Mod Podge and the paint in a different container, you can do so, but I just went ahead and mixed mine on the shoebox cover. For the entire video I had my hair wrapped up and it didn't even come to me to take it off, so I'm just going to take it off for a while for you guys to show you my hair and that I'm not all that crazy. So here it is, but I like my hair up when I'm working, so I'm just going to wrap it back up. So right now I'm going to put on the finishing touches. So I'm making a business card using the printer paper. All I did was to cut and glue. I place a construction paper above the letter. This is how it looks so far. So I'm just going to add the mailing receipt now and the YouTube logo at the front of the box. Then I'm going to use clear tape to seal the sides of the box. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hey guys, I just came back from the post office and guess what I just picked up? We did it! Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.